Hello students of Standard 9th. Welcome to DAV Moil Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Mishra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we will start with a new unit from your word and expression, Unit 11. Unit 11, let's begin. In the play If I Were You, you have read how Gerard outsmarts the intruder with his presence of mind. The intruder wanted to steal Gerard's identity. In our day-to-day life, we share personal information like telephone number, house address, mobile number, date of birth, email addresses, etc. Every day with people whom we may not know very well. Don't you think it is not safe to share information in today's digital age? Someone like the intruder in the play, If I Were You, might misuse your unique and personal identity details. This is called identity theft. The case of online identity thefts are increasing day by day. Collect information about cases of identity theft and share. Now reading comprehension. Read the following text and answer the questions that follow. Text 1. The interview with a detective. His appearance was clean, cool and deliberately ambiguous. Under the sanctuary of his aviators, his eyes silently scanned the room. He is a Manhattan-based third-generation private detective who has been in the business for more than 3 decades, specializing in surveillance and being an overall mystery-tinged badass. He asked him everything we have ever wanted to know about the profession. Interviewer, so what exactly you do? Detective, I do lot of surveillance. Basically, someone who wonders what is this other person up to. It's insurance company surveying someone on workers' compensation. They will ask, is he back working? This things like that. Another very common request is locating people, and it could be for a lot of reasons. I had a case recently. A man hadn't been in touch with his mother for 20 years and I helped him find her. Interviewer, what kind of skills make for a good PI, that is private investigator? Detective, patience number 1. You have to pay attention. You have to be kind of person. If you sit in front of a door watching it for 6 hours and you haven't seen your guy, you have to plan accordingly and be willingly to make sacrifices in order to stay out there. It's not a job for people who want to slack off. Interviewer, if you needed to locate someone, what's the ideal information about you need to start? Detective, usually, this is what I tell people. If you want to find someone, I need the name with the exact spelling. The DOB means date of birth if you know it, the social security number and the last known official address where they have lived within the past 15 years because that means they will be in our database. Interviewer, do most private investigators have a relationship with local police? Detective, I would say that's kind of a myth. Most cops wouldn't even do it in the first place because they know how serious a violation it is. Interviewer, do most private eyes carry guns? Detective, I don't think so. We don't kill people, but we help them. Interviewer, what do films and television show get wrong about being a PI? Detective, the big difference is the things you see in the films do happen in private detectives, but they are shrinking down maybe 20 years of adventure into an episode. After 30 years, I probably have one good movie worth of experiences. Now, dear students, based on the text, complete the questions. Text 2. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Sharad Indu Bandhopadhyay. Do you know who is Sharad Bindu Bandhopadhyay? He was a Bengali writer. He is remembered for his most famous creation of a fictional detective, Byomkesh Bakshi. He was actively involved with Bengali cinema as well as Bollywood. He wrote different forms of prose, novels, short stories, plays, and screenplays. Besides, he wrote many songs and poems. However, his forte was short stories and novels. He also wrote historical fictions and supernatural stories. Sharad Indu Bandhopadhyay started writing Byomkesh stories in 1932 at the age of 33. He has written 32 Byomkesh stories. He continued to write till his death in 1970. He portrayed himself as a narrator of his stories named Ajit Bandhopadhyay, who is also a companion of Byomkesh Bakshi. In some stories, Ajit also investigates in the absence of Byomkesh. These stories are written in traditional Bengali language and have now been translated into other languages. His stories are very engrossing and consist of a series of events. Byomkesh solves cases from international drug racket to household mysteries and crimes. Byomkesh identifies himself as Satyenveshi, meaning truth seeker, rather than a detective. Where he stands out from other legendary detectives like Hercule Poirot or Sherlock Holmes is that he is more concerned with truth than with the law. Dear students, now complete the following questions. Let us do the vocabulary part. The following words and phrases occur in the passages. Try to guess the meanings and match the words with their meanings. You may refer a dictionary later. The contextual meaning of century in the comprehension passage I is shade. The same word century is used in variety of sentences given below. They have different meanings in different contexts. Refer to a dictionary and write the meanings. For example, Benita's home was a sanctuary for runaway kids. So here sanctuary means shelter. Benita home was a shelter for runaway kids. The refugees found sanctuary when they reached India. It can be written as refugees found asylum or shelter when they reached India. Bandra Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area for tigers. Bandra Wildlife Sanctuary is a reserve or a protected area for tigers. Now try to complete the remaining ones. Use the following pair of opposites in sentences. Already some are done for you. Lose or gain. You have nothing to lose but you have to gain. Hot or cold. He is blowing hot and cold in the same breath. Lonely or busy. I want to live peacefully in a lonely cottage than in a busy street of a city. Dear students, here we end our today's session. We will continue with the same unit in our next session. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.